Hi guys, my name's Imogen, I'm 19 years old and today I'm going to be moving to the London School of Economics to LSE where I'll be studying geography and my gap year I guess is officially over. There is going to be lots and lots of LSE content coming very soon. However, today that is not what I want to talk about. I want to address the fact that I haven't put out a YouTube video in a month and honestly it seems like I've just disappeared off the face of the earth. There are a few different reasons for why I haven't been posting on YouTube, but the main one is the fact that I actually had a job. Now, I don't know how much I'm allowed to say about what I did, but I was working with children, I was working away from home, and this obviously made it really difficult to film. And you might be thinking, but Imogen, you can pre-film videos. I mean, I did that before when I went to Germany, and honestly, if I'd have been less bothered about seeing my friends and a bit more organised before I went, then you probably would have seen a bit more content from me. I did actually pre-film one video and I was so excited about it. I was really excited about the idea. However, I made one mistake when filming and that was asking my mum to help me film it. Now, my mum is not the best with technology, let's just say that. And what she'd done was instead of pressing record when I was actually speaking on the clips that we needed, she'd pressed record for all of the bits between our speaking. So I had a 15-minute clip of the spice rack and not much else to show for the little clip that I'd filmed in the kitchen. As I was working away and I wasn't able to come home, I wasn't able to refilm the clips and I didn't think it was worth putting the video out when it was below the standard that I would have liked. However, I am hoping one day that I will refilm the clips that are missing from the kitchen so that I can get that video out for you because I am still really excited about it. Anyway, that only takes us up to a week and a half ago, which is when I came home from work, and I definitely could have filmed in the last week and a half. But if I'm honest with you, we've had decorators in who have been like outside my door sorting painting, I don't really know what they're doing. Anyway, there've been people in our house all the time, so it's quite difficult to find a quiet time to film. I've been seeing my friends. I actually went up and visited LSE when I was visiting some friends in London. I've been camping. I've been doing loads and loads of different things. I've been packing, but it just hasn't meant that I've had time to film. And I think it's really important that I prioritise seeing my friends sometimes, especially when I'm off to university this week. I'm not going to see them for ages. However, I'm keen not to make this video just a list of excuses for why I haven't been uploading. Instead, we're just going to look to the future. I've had a little break for the past month, but now I'm really excited to get back to it. 3 videos a week just isn't sustainable, and that kind of was what really put me off doing YouTube. However, I'm going to try and do 1 video a week whilst I'm at university. I think that's going to be a lot more achievable. I'm really sorry about the break once again, and I hope that you will still continue to follow my journey as I head off to LSE today. I have a lot of videos that I want to film about LSE, about going to university, so definitely do stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if that's something you'd be interested in, and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you next time with a new video, but for now, have a lovely day wherever you are in the world and whatever you're getting up to.